Okay, so this is week 3, Thursday, or I'm sorry, Wednesday, to go over with Quinton for Math 5 on fractions. Quinton is not making noise. All right, so we're gonna go over number 12. So for number 12, if you take a look at this, Quinton, you need to find the lowest common denominator. Lowest common denominator is the two numbers on the bottom, right? What is your lowest common denominator? What is it? 8 is a common denominator, but it's not the lowest. The lowest is 4. Okay? So then what do I multiply with this one here? What do I multiply with the denominator of 2? What do you multiply for the second fraction? It's a 1 or nothing, okay? So then let's go ahead and rewrite this. For the first one, I have 9 and 2 over 4 minus 6 and 3/4. So I have common denominators now. So then look what I'm highlighting. The coefficients you subtract. But then the problem here is, do you see how the 2 is not big enough for the 13? That's good. Let's pick another one. Pick another one that you feel. Let's try number 14. Okay, number 14. What's your lowest common denominator? Okay, so then what do I multiply with the first one? Can you please stop making the noise? So then I get 7, 5 over 10 minus, what do I multiply the second one? 1, technically, so 7 over 10, right? Is 5 big enough to subtract 7? Is there enough here? So then what does this 5 become? Okay. No, hold on a second. Before you get the 8, what about the 6? What does that become right here? 6 minus what? What's the number here? So what is it? No, it's not nothing. It's actually a 1. There's a 1 there. It's not nothing. Because if it's 0, 7 over 10, 0 times 10 is 0. Plus 7 is 7. Or no, I'm sorry, you're right. Hold on a second. Let me go back. It is nothing. So then it's just 6. And then what do we have here? But can I reduce this? If they're both even, you can always divide it by 2, right? Okay. If I were to write this into an improper fraction, what would that look like? If I were to go ahead and write this into an improper fraction, what do you do? 6 times 5, and then? Good job. Okay. All right. Now let's go back over here. What other questions do you feel like you would like to go over? We did number 11 to 14. Pick one that's from 15 to 18. Okay, we could do number 18. Number 18, the second set is a lot harder than the first set. And the reason I said that is because what do you notice about the common denominators here? What do you notice about the common denominators? Yeah, it's not like before. Whereas before, you see how you have 2 and 10, so it's 2 times 5 is 10, or like 60 and 8. Okay, what is your lowest common denominator between 12 and 8? Okay, but what is your lowest common denominator here between 12 and 8? Good job. That's really good. Okay, so then your new one is 10 over 24 minus 1. Are you writing this down? So what's your answer?
Okay.
What is your answer? Okay, good job. Now let's jump over to actually, I'm gonna have you do one more. I want you to go ahead and try number 15. Okay, number 15. Yeah, number 15. You have it on your paper. Go look at your book. Where's your book? So I'm gonna go ahead and pause it, and you're gonna go ahead and do that one. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at your answer over for this one. So what is your lowest common denominator? Okay. Explain how you got your answer.
6 times 1 4, and then 6 times 8 equals. Well, also, I was thinking of 8 times 3 equals 24, so
Did you reduce it?
I could get 18.
17 minus 9. 17 minus 9.
Okay, 16.
27 minus 9. 3 is not enough, so you cancel the 15, make it a 14. 3 plus 24 is 27.
Right? Because 6 times 4 is 24. So the bottom.
No, hold on a second. 6 times 4 is 24. Yeah, the bottom is 24. The denominator is 24. Really, you need to stop making that noise.
Top is 4, right? It's 2 or 3. 4, since 4 goes in, I have to reduce it. So 15 times 40. Then 24 plus 4 plus 28.
So what's your answer? All right. Did you get the answer same as mine? Okay, what was your answer?
1924.
How'd you get 19?
Okay.
Okay, I don't understand how you got a 19 here. Did you get 27 on top for the numerator? Okay, well, 1 times 3 is 3, right? 6 times 4 is 24. 3 plus 24 is 27.
1 times 3 equals 3.
Oh, I see. No, you're right. You're right. Hold on. That was my mistake. It is 4. You're right. So it'll be 28, right? 28. Good job. Okay, so I'm gonna subtract this part right here. Actually, the other one would have been better answer, technically, because you had to reduce more. So then you have 19 over 24, yes? Okay. All right, let's go ahead and take a look over here. Pick either 19 or 20.
Yeah, it's 24, 23 an option. There's enough.
Those two are the options, so pick one.
Oh, basketball. Or actually,
What number is it?
no.
Okay, read it, please.
Smallest mammals on Earth are cookie bat.
Etruscan pygmy shrew. Etruscan pygmy shrew. So there's two. There's bumblebee bat, so it's kind of bat, and then you have a shrew. Those are the two smallest ones. Maddie, I told you to go upstairs, please. We're doing work. Upstairs, thank you. Then go upstairs and just wait. We'll be there soon. So what do you do in this situation? What comes first? Oh, no. Which one comes first? Which one comes first? It says, how much smaller is a bat than the shrew? No. No. Read, how much smaller is the bat than the shrew? So which one's smaller? Is the bat or the shrew? So then bat has to go after. Shrew has to come before. If the bat is after, the bat is this.
1 and 950 is.
Okay, that's fine. Well, there's only two possible ways, Quentin. Don't guess. All right. So then what's your answer? No, it's the shrew comes first. Okay, what is your answer? Well, be confident in your responses. What's your answer? What's your answer? 1 minus 1 is now a 0. So that's gone. Do you see that? 21 minus 9 is? Yep. Good job. Okay. All right. Now we're gonna go to, I'm gonna pick a different one. We're gonna pick one more, okay, and then we're done. Okay, your choice. You want to do 20? Why 23? Okay. No, you already did this one at school. Are you cheating because you already did this one at school? Okay, read it and then try it on your own.
All I'm gonna do is 2.
Read the question, please. Read the question. No. They don't have the same common denominator. It would be 2 if they had the same common denominator, but they don't. So what's your common denominator? Okay, so work on that, please. Because your answer was not correct. So you're gonna multiply by 2 right here, because remember that's gonna be the common denominator is 8. So 3 and 5 over 8 minus 1 over 8 over whatever this number is times by 2. Have to go 2 and 3/8. Hold on. 3 minus the 1 does give you the 2, so that's correct. The 8 here remains the same. So what number times 2? 5 minus whatever number times 2 gives you a 3. Do you see that? So what did you say it was? 1. That's good. Because 5 minus 2 is 3. So good. That's the answer. All right, that concludes it. We're going to go on to the next one next time.